Model, 2011 Mercedes Viano 2.2 CDI long, Ambiente automatic top spec needs injectors. Body, silver, MPV. Mileage, 200684. MOT, the 10th of October 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM651DE22 LAD. Transmission, rear-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, needs multiple injectors replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Full code for multiple injectors, engine is definitely good, straightforward injector replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Features, aircon, cruise Contron, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,095 plus VAT.